Alright, the name of this street is called Weasel Drift. Weasel Drift, alright?
This is where Chester lives?
Yeah.
She sent a toy for you for your birthday.
Alright, so this is the Garret Mountain. Garret Mountain. So we're going into Garret Mountain. So this is Garret Mountain Reservation, County Park. Alright, so now we're at the Lambert Castle. So we're going to try and walk up there. Alright. So we're gonna go to the castle now. We're gonna go up there, make our way up the path to the castle. Yeah, there you go. That's the castle. Yeah. Wow. That's whoa. That's got rollers. You want to see that park? All right. Well, that's a big park, right? There he goes. There he goes to the slide. Just sit and then roll down. That's it. You ready? There you go. This is old school. This is old school.
What else?
You want this one? All right. And they take apple. Like your ice cream. Oh yeah, SpongeBob, right? What city? Patterson? Can you say Patterson?
What is that city?
That's the city of Patterson.